Yes, people, welcome back to another POV on the channel. I'm gassed. I haven't done one of these yet for a hot minute. I'm actually bare excited. Like, this car, I haven't even driven it much. Like, I've literally just been chilling, waiting for my new car to come. Like, so I'm excited to actually be in this car and kind of just enjoy it. Like, because obviously the car's going soon there. Man, look, the car needs to leave soon. I'm gonna have to leave it and let it go to Narnia one day. But listen, I'm just happy to like be back in this car for like the last few weeks before it goes. Like, I'm gonna be making a few more videos on the Corsa before I like move on to my new car. So yeah, pretty much in this video, I'm gonna be answering a few of your questions. And I'm also gonna be talking about like the new, hey, listen, don't get me gas. We're gonna be talking about the new car, like the mods I'm gonna be doing to it, and I'm not gonna tell you what car it is because you man need to wait for that, yeah. Because when I reveal it, you man will be like, what the fuck's going on? You man will be very confused, bruv. It's mad. But listen, I'm pretty much just gonna go in this video and just talk about a few things. And obviously, like, this is not the last POV, but this is like one of the last POVs I'm gonna be doing on this car. Like, this is probably like the second to last POV that I'm gonna have on this car. So enjoy it. And maybe it might not be. Like, at the end of the day, if I can afford to obviously keep both cars, I'll keep this car. But like, right now, it's looking like the car might have to go. But we'll see anyway, because I know a lot of people love POV drives on like the Vauxhall Corsa. Obviously, man's got a new steering wheel cover as well. So obviously, things are looking peng, yeah? Things are looking peng. But pretty much, let me just start off with, let's talk about the new car. So the new car is basically, from this day on, is basically set to be coming Thursday. Which I'm excited, like, bro, I've been fucking waiting, plan. You don't understand, I've been waiting for like 2 weeks, bro. Literally, I've been waiting 2 weeks to try and get this car. Bro, yeah, I got 3 more days before I can get the whip, man. I'm literally queefing, bro. I'm literally excited to get this car. I literally can't wait. Man's gas, bro. I'm gonna be like, hey, when I see it, bro, I swear, when I see a Golf R, I'm gonna smoke it. I'm smoking it. Any Golf R, smoking it. Yeah, don't even worry about that, yeah. I know the Golf R is bare quick, bro. The car that I'm getting, smoking, yeah. That's what I'm about to smoking. Smoking, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's long. But yeah, pretty much, my new car should be coming Thursday. I'm excited. Like, it's gonna be the fastest car I've ever owned, obviously, because this is my first car. The Vauxhall Corsa is my first car. Obviously, it's what, like 100 brake, but like my new car, yeah. You fucking psycho, bro. My new car's more than that, mate. I tell you that for free. Fuck me. But obviously, like, my new car's mappable as well. Like, you can map it to like decent power. Obviously, the torque, bro. What you can do to this car, like, I've looked into this and I've seen there's so many modifications you can do to my new car. Like, there's so many, which obviously means more videos. And obviously, there's like, this car, there's not many people like on YouTube that's doing it. So that's another thing as well. Like, there's no, I've seen what, 2 people that's done it in the past, but like currently that's building it the way that I'm gonna build it and do what I'm gonna do in terms of videos. There's no one doing it at the moment. So I'm excited to like just bridge a gap and kind of do this car, because this car is sexy. It brings like luxury mixed with like sportiness. It literally adds everything all together, and it's also like quite a young person's car as well. So it's not like something like an old head would actually like own, like an old head would like sort of thing. Like, so it's quite a modern car. It's just sick. I'm gassed. I'm excited to get it. Hopefully I haven't given too much away, but I mean, no one's gonna guess it. I bet you any money. Oh, she's got body. I don't think rotted. Hold on. Ugh, rotted, bruv. Activated. Fucking hell. But yeah, it's quite a sick. I'm excited to get this car. Like, me viewing it like 2 weeks ago, I was just like envisioning like what it's gonna be like owning it and like having it and everything like that. Like, I feel like it's just gonna be so sick. It's just gonna be so sick. It's gonna be like the biggest upgrade. Like, man went from a Corsa to like, obviously, nah, let me put some respect on the Corsa, because literally I've just been driving it before I even started this video. I was just driving it, just like get it warmed up and everything like that. This car is such a good car. It's such a good car. I have no bad words to say about this car. For a first car, it is such a good car. I can't badmouth this car at all. Obviously, it's not quick, but at the end of the day, it's your first car. You don't need it to be dumb quick. Rotted, bruv. Calm down, bruv. Hasbulla moving mad, bruv. But you don't need it to be mad quick, but it's quick enough. For a first car, it's quick enough. Like, it gets going, like, especially in like the lower gears, it gets going. Obviously, with this car as well, you can modify it, get steering wheel covers, put exhaust on it, air filters. Like, there's stuff you can do to this car. So for a first car, solid car. I have no bad words to say about it. But mate, my new car, different gravy. But yeah, hopefully you guys are excited for that reveal video. That reveal video is gonna be fucking insane. Oh, look at that. That reveal, cheese. That reveal video is gonna be insane. Like, literally, it's gonna be fucking big. Like, I'll tell you that for free. It's gonna be, let me go here. It's gonna be fucking big, mate. Like, that reveal video is gonna be different. Oh, why the fuck? I shouldn't have come this way, bro. I should not have come this way. Why did I come this way? should not have come this way. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna fucking... But yeah, fucking hell. What was I saying again? Bro, I literally thought what I was saying. The reveal video is gonna be insane. I feel like it's gonna be a big shock, and it's also just gonna be a sick video, because it's gonna be like my second like car reveal, but it's gonna be like my first serious car. Like, it's not gonna be, oh, it's a T, I can't even go anywhere here. It's not gonna be like, it's just like my first proper car, so I should say. Like, because obviously my Corsa is my first car, but like, that's gonna be my first powerful, it's not even that mad power, but like, it's powerful, like, to me, do you know what I mean? It's powerful to me, so mad excited. But anyway, I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me a few questions, so pretty much I'm just gonna answer a few of your questions, because obviously, listen, this POV is special to me, man. Like, this POV is special. Let's hear some exhaust noise, you know what I mean? Just because the car's going soon as well. Alright, I'm done. First question, what's your dream car and why? Dream car, I'll be real, is probably, hold on, let me wind these windows up, bro. Alright, so my dream car is so hard to say because there's so many cars that I just love, bro. Like, look at that M140i, sexual. But dream car, it's so hard to say, man. Hold on, let me get a think. I might just spin it around here, you know. Hang on a minute. Ooh. Alright, so my dream car, I know it's probably gonna sound a bit cliche, but like, the first thing that came to my mind was a Lamborghini Perf. I'll be so real, because I don't know what it is about them, but I feel like they bring that proper sporty Lamborghini look, but I feel like they're a bit more practical than an Aventador. So I kind of like Perfs, and obviously you can twin turbo them. Different kettle of fish, mate. That's all I can say, different kettle of fish. So I'd say probably the Perf. But yeah, that's probably my dream car. Why? Because yeah, as I said, I feel like it's a bit more practical. It's obviously, it's got that wow factor. It's quick, wow factor. It's a fucking Lambo, and it's just got that it's just got that luxury, and it's also, I feel like it's a bit more drivable in the day-to-day life. I feel like you can just drive it a bit more than you can with a Aventador, pretty much. That's my only logic to it. But yeah, that's my dream car. Next question is, what's the fastest car I've driven? I know a lot of you probably won't believe me, but the fastest car I've actually driven is actually an R8. Yeah, V10 plus, yeah? Big boy, yeah? Big boy whip. V10 plus R8. That was the first car that was the fastest car I've driven. Basically, the guy was just like, basically, the guy was just like, wagwan. I said, wagwan. I said, yo, do you wanna kill? Yeah, let me chill, I'm moving mad. No, it was more like a, yeah, so this guy basically was just there, yeah, so I was just like, yo, and he was like, yo, so I was like, yo, and then he just, next thing you know, man, just in the whip, bruv. I was just in the whip. I put a story of me in the car, bruv. You can hear it, like, when you rev it, it's like, bruv, let me explain this shit, hold on, bruv. I hopped in the fucking jet, yeah, I was just chilling, I said, rah. Next thing you know, I'm just chilling, I'm thinking, what happens if I put my foot down? Just what happens? I mean, it's just a normal question, what happens? So I was like, cool, I put my foot down, but I went flying! Oh, but I'll never forget that shit. I put my foot down, I went boom! I literally, it pinned me to the seat. I said, yeah, I'm done. I got out of the car, it was 2 seconds. I did that, and I got straight out of the car. I said, no. I said, no. That's literally, I said, no. I got out of the car, and I walked away. The guy was like, are you right? I said, don't worry about that, bruv. That's literally, I just walked away, bruv. It was mad. But yeah, that was probably the fastest car I've been in. Other than that, maybe an S3, stage 2, I think it was. I've been, to be fair, I've been in a fair amount of quick cars. And the Range Rover SVR, mate. Them motors are fucking ridiculous, mate. Them Range Rover SVRs, they're actually tapped. Bruv, the guy, yeah, I was sitting in passenger, I didn't drive it, yeah, but I was sitting in passenger seat. The guy put his foot down, bruv. I believed I was flying. I believed I was flying for a hot second. I genuinely believed I was flying. That's how mad it was. I literally believed I was flying, bruv. That car was mad. But anyway, yeah, fastest car is probably an Audi R8 V10 Plus. No, not probably, but it is. Next question, what made you start YouTube? So pretty much, I can't lie, I've been doing YouTube for time. I'll be so real, I've been doing YouTube for probably like 7-8 years, probably more than that. I had an old channel. Some people might know my old channel, other people won't, but I had an old channel, which I think it had like 7K before I quit. That was mad, but I don't really quit, but before I stopped that channel, I think I had about 7K. But yeah, I was just doing like reaction videos and I was just being retarded. But I kind of, basically why I stopped that channel, I kind of grew out of it. I kind of grew out of making them sort of videos because I don't know what it was. Something about them sort of videos wasn't resonating with me anymore. I just wasn't enjoying it. So I just knew I wanted to switch it up. So I had like a long break before I started like my car channel. Like I had a long break off YouTube before I started my car channel. I didn't know what I was doing on YouTube. I knew I wanted to make videos, but I didn't know what videos I wanted to make because I don't know. I was just like, I was kind of lost. Then next thing you know, I'm just on YouTube. I was learning to drive at the time as well. So I was learning to drive, and I started watching like driving car videos. So I was like, cool, let me watch that. Boom, I was watching them. And then I was like, hold on, what car am I gonna get? So I was like, cool, a lot of people saying, oh, I'll get Corsa, blah, blah, boom. So I type in on YouTube, I'm looking at Corsa videos and stuff like that. So I just see like, and after I came across the other stuff and I watched a few videos and he's modifying cars, I was like, hold on. And I watched bears of it, but I started watching bears, bruv. And I was literally just watching bears of his videos. And I was just thinking, bruv, I actually enjoy these videos, and I'm like, and it's getting me hyped. Like, it's making me want to modify my car, bruv. Next thing you know, I started watching bare different YouTubers that modify cars, like DMO, Living Life Fast. Like, I was watching all of these guys, yeah, like all modify cars, and I was just growing like a passion, like a fucking passion of modifying cars, and just, yeah, it was kind of just I was just getting excited to get in my car and modifying it. Like, it just became, literally from these videos, it literally just became like a big passion of mine. And I just started loving cars, literally just from watching videos. I started loving cars. But yeah, that's basically what happened. I just fell in love with cars. I bought my car and I was like, mate, I'm modifying it. I'm gonna make videos on it. And that's basically literally what I just did. I basically just modified it, started making videos on it, and here I am today, and I'm just still loving it. Like, obviously this car that I have now, it's not a bad car, but it's just not exciting anymore for me. So I just thought, let me get a decent car where I can actually properly modify it and properly do like a proper build and actually get some serious shit going, you know what I'm saying? So that's basically what's going on at the moment. But yeah, like, from so far, this course has done a lot for me. I've obviously, we hit 2K, which is gas, like, that's mad. And obviously, a few other goals I've hit as well with this car. Bruv, I literally linked my first girl in this car, bruv. You know how mad that is? I literally linked my first girl in this car. Literally. I even touched my first naan bread in this car. Literally, I touched my first naan bread in this car, bruv. Like, you need to understand that. So, this car is not just, it means a lot to me. It's done a lot for me. I can't lie, it's changed. I feel like I've become I've become who I'm going to become from this car, sort of thing. So I love this car, I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to get rid of it. If I can afford to keep it, I fucking would. But yeah, we'll see what happens anyway down the line. But yeah, anyway, I was waffling on a bit. But yeah, I started YouTube from basically watching a whole bunch of YouTubers. I was doing YouTube a long time ago anyway, but yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. But then I thought, yeah, I grew a love for cars from YouTube videos. I grew a love for modifying cars from YouTube videos, and now here I am today, and I still love modifying cars. I still love cars. All I do is watch YouTube videos on cars. Like, if I'm not fucking having a wank, I'm probably watching car modification videos and just fucking getting gassed and just getting excited, bruv, and just fucking getting excited hearing a V12 or fucking DMO's Deutsch Tech exhaust fucking V12 fucking Audi SVJ, mate. Like, I'm just sitting there wanking to the noise, like, I need to chill. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end the video here because I've been rambling on a bit, but I hope you did enjoy this POV. This one's been, I feel like this has probably been the best POV I've done, I'll be real, because I feel like I was just vibing, chilling. I wasn't really ragging it too much. I'm just kind of just chilled. I feel like I'm just enjoying the whole journey of me getting a new car and everything like that. So anyway, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. We're on a go to 10K by the end of the year. I believe I can do it. I'm just going to be making bare videos when I get a new whip, like, so that's basically the goal. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.